Alright, TrueJack garage door video. You saw the other parts probably, and this is the finished product. Okay, what we did is we came in, if you remember, that one riser was completely off. Okay, we rebalanced the door. Okay, we came in, we put a whole bunch of nails in it. First we threw a bunch of galvanized framing nails in through a framing gun compressor and backed it up with some deck mate screws and washers. And they're everywhere. I put a bunch of deck mates in here. Maybe got 15 or so nails per thing and a bunch of screws that I put in, and we ultimately brought that pretty close in the back here. I don't know if you can see that, but yep, tried to bring that a lot closer. It's not 100%, but it's way better than what it ever was. And with the 3 nails the builder put in that, it's no wonder that it failed. Time and time again, as a handyman contractor, I'm seeing, where builders just cut every corner they could possibly cut. So, we really beat the heck out of this. We put the nails in first. We hit it with a sledgehammer. That's what all these marks are around here. 2.5 pound mount, actually, handheld. And then we backed up with screws. And we tried to adjust the garage door here and there. Same deal. We did actually, since we did one side, we did the other side also, just to be safe. This side was pulling off a little bit, but nowhere near. The other side was completely off. We did the same exact process here. We started at the bottom, put the nails in it, hit it with the sledgehammer, put a screw or 2 in it, and just kept moving up in increments until we hit the very top, and the thing is secured. We then adjusted different things, like the door tracks and the wheel assemblies. So here we go. Let's fire this bad boy up. As a little note, this is a Craftsman. It's Craftsman 1/2 horsepower. Decent little opener. Quite a few on the market these days. This is what they call a chain drive. It's a chain drive because, well, it's not a belt, it's a bicycle chain, and you see it on the other side, really. When I put it down, it'll be on this side. Maybe a couple different kinds: a screw drive, a chain drive, and a belt drive. So let's go ahead and put this thing down. And a little creaky and stuff. This happens when doors get out of whack. They start, every time a bolt's loose, it moves from one side to the other. The most important thing is with a garage door, if you're having problems, call somebody who knows what they're doing. It's a major pain in the butt. The garage doors are a whole bunch of different pieces. Any one little thing could set it off. With any door, your number one thing when you look at a door is what they call the reveal. The reveal is the space between where it's mounted to something, alright, and where it actually is doing the action. As you can see, this wheel is actually, the pin is very long, okay? It's that way so it can move back and forth to some extent. So when you look at your reveal should be almost the same. Up top it's a different type of bracket, so that's not going to look the same. But all these middle ones should be very close to actually being right where they got to be. Okay? Should almost look the same. And that gap between the two is what they call the reveal of the door. All doors, not just garage doors, but all doors. If you look at a door's reveal, the space between the actual frame and the space between the actual door, that should be equal. When you see that it's not equal, you know that a door is on its way to having problems. Okay? That's your first sign with any doors. So let's go ahead and put it up again. We'll complete this quick video on garage doors. And again, TrueJack to the rescue. Thank you for visiting the site. Thank you for watching the video. Stay tuned. We'll be putting up a lot more. TrueJack out.